Hi everyone, this is Mohit and welcome back to Ingenious TechHub channel. So I will continue different types of the testing. So last session we have discussed usability testing, load testing and regression testing. So we have another types of the testing also, that is called recovery testing. Name itself you can see recovery testing. So if you will heard about of that your application or something is going to crash, right? So if your application is going to crash, it must be recovered. Otherwise, you will lost everything. Understood, right? So we will crash the application and we can recover our application. That is called recovery testing. Okay, done and demonstrate a software solution is reliable, trustworthy, and can be successfully recouped from possible crashes. Now another testing is called migration testing. Name itself is called migration testing. So you could see like we having the old application that is called legacy application, right? And the client want to migrate in the new tech, right? So while once you will done the migration, or if you are doing in the, because we follow the agile process, right? So every sprint we are doing the testing while doing the migration from one legacy to new application, because it's must be work as per your legacy application. Yeah, might be they are going to change some functionality, might be they're going to change functionality and all, that is a different thing, but it should work as per your legacy or old application. That is called migration testing. Okay, now we have a functional testing. So name itself functional. So we have to test each and every application. Like if you are a tester, right? Or you think this it should be a one link, or it should be have a, like you have to suggest your a stakeholder as well, right? So also known as a functional or completeness testing. Functional testing involves trying to think of any possible missing function. Tester might take a list of additional functionalities that a product could have to improve during the functional testing, right? So you can give the suggestion to a stakeholder if you find something new and all. Okay. Now we have a hardware and software testing. Name itself hardware software testing. So basically hardware and software, I can give you one example. You are working in any product based company, or they want to do some mobile testing, right? So while connecting with mobile, you have to also check hardware stuffs, like it's proper, you are able to pair like connect with the hardware, like I can say in your laptop or mobile you are connecting. Once you're going to connect, then you are going to validate the software of mobile or apps you are validating. Just I'm giving one example. We having the many example, hardware and software, right? So if you the heard about of embedded, right, embedded system, right? So from there we do hardware and software testing. So hardware is hardware product, hardware is there, hardware, and in hardware we have a software. Like you can take the example of this system, or you can take the example of mobile, right? In the mobile also we have a hardware and software, right? So that is called this end-to-end flow, or is called hardware testing. So IBM refer to hardware software testing as a hardware and software testing. This is when the tester focus is on her the attention on the interaction between the hardware and software during the system testing. Okay. Okay, so let's move in the another types of the level of the testing, that is called user acceptance level testing. Name itself user acceptance. User will accept your product, right? So in this level of testing, test engineer can test the application in front of client before delivering to the client. Okay, so I can give you one example. So you are developing one application. So like consider the Infosys. Infosys having the Infosys have a client of Apple. Apple having the client of Infosys, right? So what happened? Apple has given them project to the Infosys, so they are starting to develop the product, right? Project. Okay, so we follow the agile. We are showing them in front of, sorry, we are showing every release. We have to give to the demo to the client, right? Then client will give some feedback. Accordingly, we can work. So this will go until your application will develop. So once your application will have in your final stage, right? Then we can have a, you know, complete like testing of the application and all in front of the client. Or it depend upon. Sometime what happen? Uh, we have sign off the testing in our side. Means Infosys guys sign off the testing in on side, right? Now this product will deliver to the Apple guy. Apple tester will also test. So it depend upon how they are following the rules, right? Everything will work fine. Then we can close and we can hand over this application to the client. Okay. So in this level of testing, test engineer can test the application in front of the client before delivering to the client. Okay. So might be they are giving some feedback or we are finding some defect and all, we can fix it again and we can show them again. So this process will go until our, application will be having the no defect and all, and its client should accept this. So example of alpha testing and beta testing, we can explore this type of the testing in the coming session. So we have a here two terminology, like we have a delivery and we have a release. So delivery means company to client, Infosys to Apple, and release means Apple to Apple. Apple have developed some product and they have release in the market, right? They have given to use to customer, right? So this thing you have to understand here. Okay, so that's it guys in this session. If you are new in the channel, please go to let me show you. Go to the YouTube and you can search Ingenious TechHub. Okay, in this Ingenious TechHub, okay, you will get many useful playlist. Okay, if you will go in the playlist, so till now we have uploaded around 8 training manual training video. You can see here we have uploaded 8 manual training video. If you are new in the channel, you can watch from the starting. If you don't know what is manual testing and all, you can watch from the starting, and definitely I have given the real time example. So whatever I have worked till now in IT industry in the same profile, I'm trying to connect with those example, right? So if you will learn, yeah, many working professional, they are teaching their own experience, but I'm trying to best to give the real time example what we are doing in the company and all. Okay, so definitely this will helpful for you guys. And if you are searching job or if you are attending the interview, this playlist will help you to get what type of the question they are asking in the top level of the interview question. Okay, so you can just go through this playlist, you will get the top level of the interview question and answer. Okay, so now if you will go here, so many of automation or manual testers or the people who want to switch in the manual to automation, so they are struggling some real time interview question and answer. You don't know, you have learned, you have done some project as well, but you don't know the process, how we are working in the real time, right? So this playlist will help you to understand the process in the industry, how to start automation work, right? What the challenges you have to face in real time automation, what types of the, what level of the preparation you have to do while switching in your manual to automation, or if you are a non-tech, or if you are trying to job as experience, if you are a different profile. So this playlist is very helpful for you guys. Okay, so again, thank you so much for watching this video. So please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get new video notification. The people who is struggling to learn, please share this video, and definitely this will helpful for them. Again, thank you so much. In the next video, bye bye.